One of the fun and interesting things that you'll do as you work your way into the higher lessons and chapters of our Python materials is the data mining Twitter lesson. Now, in this lesson, one of the things you're going to be doing is interacting with the Twitter APIs over the internet to do things like search for tweets on a specific topic, to analyze those tweets, to stream tweets live as they occur, and to analyze those live, and do things like perform sentiment analysis where you're looking at each tweet's text and trying to determine whether it's positive or negative, or analyze them however you like. Now, in order to do that, Twitter is going to require you to have a developer account. So you're going to need to register for access to using their APIs, and that will give you the credentials that you need in order to work with a library that we use called Tweepy, which is going to make it really easy to interact with Twitter on your behalf. Now, to sign up for your own Twitter credentials, which you must do before you execute any of those Twitter-based examples in the Twitter lesson or in subsequent lessons that also have some Twitter processing in them, you will need to go to this website, developer.twitter.com /en/apply for access, and fill out the web form there to be approved for a Twitter developer account. Now, at the time that we signed up, if you were signing up for a personal account, it was approved immediately. If you were signing up for a business account, they took a little bit longer look at those, and it could take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks to get approved for a business account.